So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're gonna fix this Honda Civic. It's a 2012 Honda Civic. So it has problem with the lights on the dash. It's like a Christmas tree in the dash. All the lights are on, and also the messages. There's also a lot of messages on the dash. So we're gonna try to fix that today. So guys, let's get started. So these are the messages that's showing up on the dash. Brake system, ABS system, VSA system, and also look at all the lights on the dash. It's like a Christmas tree. So the ABS sensor on the wheel could be broken, so that's why we're getting all these messages. So this is the ABS sensor that I bought from Amazon. So if I always buy parts from Amazon, I always trust the A Premium brand. So A Premium is not my sponsor, but I'm just telling you that so far all the parts that I bought from A Premium, I never have problem with it. They have good quality. Same thing when I installed the Valvetronic camshaft on my BMW, it works perfectly. So I trust A Premium brand from Amazon. So if you're interested in this ABS sensor, I'm gonna put down the link down below. So if you have the same issue with your car, check out this ABS sensor from A Premium. I'm gonna put down the link down below. So the speed sensor is this one here. That's the bolt for the speed sensor. So we have to remove this bolt and follow the line. You're gonna follow this line here, all the way here, and then we're gonna go disconnect from the inside. So we have to remove this clip so we can have access to that. We have to unplug it, then we can replace it. So now I'm removing the bolt for the ABS sensor. So that's a 10mm. It's a 10mm bolt. Slowly pull out the sensor. So inside the connector is here. There you go. So unplug this connector, pushing here and pull, and then take out this one here. I have to press that one. There we go. Same thing on this one here. So use a long nose plier, then pull out there. Same thing on this one here. That's it. So now just have to remove the sensor. So now we're gonna install the ABS sensor. Tighten it down. Then install the rest of the cabling back. Just press it back. Like that. Like that. You have to plug it. You have to plug the connector back. Give it a good wiggle, make sure it's not gonna come loose. That's it. Just put back the plug. Then press. That's it. So check your wire, make sure it's all connected good, and that's it. So we're gonna do the first startup after the installation of the ABS sensor. So I see all the lights are still there. So we're gonna do a test drive. Hopefully all these lights will come off after. So everything's still here. Now let's go for a test drive. So after driving about 500 meters, all the light on the dash disappears. So it's clearly that the ABS sensor was at fault. So once replaced, all the error message is gone. So you have no more Christmas tree or Christmas lights on your dash. Same thing on the small monitor over there too. So problem solved. So now the Honda Civic is fixed.